First time fishing? There we go. Oh yeah.
Thank you.
How much money we got on the first smallie?
Whatever you want to pay.
Jeez, these are so strong.
You want the net, Brad?
No, I got it. No, it's not that big.
It's not that big. It's ginormous.
Oh, geez, I didn't even see that rock there.
Yeah. Gosh. Oh, that had to hurt.
Who put that seat there?
Oh, good thing.
Hey, wasn't that funny?
Oh, can we GoPro running?
Maybe. No, it's a fish.
Do you want the net?
I don't know. We'll see how big it is. Yeah, probably get the net. It's by me. This one's bigger.
What is it? Walleye?
No, it's smallmouth.
Man. It's too fancy, but not for me, Brett. Oh, that's a nice one, Brett.
Oh wow, you ate that sucker. Yeah, this is actually a pretty good one. So yeah, this is actually a pretty good one.
That's nice. You want me to take a picture?
Someone. 18.
18? I don't like to joke with you.
Oh, there you go. That one looks like a nice one. I guess it's not that big. Oh man, he ate it like a big one. You gonna net him, Mom?
Oh, well, I asked, nobody answered. Yeah, oh, that's plenty big for a net. Decent. I thought it was smaller than that. Yeah. Oh, thanks. Yeah. I'll get my hair up. I'm good.
2.5.
Not bad. 15? 16? What do you think?
It's pretty long. But
Oh, 16 and a half?
17.
17?
No, it's 17.
Alright. Alright, I'm the skunk today, I guess. Look at I'm the skunk.
There's still plenty of daylight.
Was Dad fishing?
Oh, that was awesome. No.
Oh, you saw it like those?
Yeah, that was sweet. I was like, oh, that looks like a good.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's a chunky one. Yeah. He's got a little hoey on this side.
Jeez, he ate that. He wanted that so bad.
Did Dad catch his on a jig head, Brent? Did you notice?
17 and a quarter. Man, they're just blowing up over there. You see that? Oh.
No.
No, you got him still.
It went under that log? No. Yeah.
Get the net, Ma. That thing destroyed it. Oh, Kendra might be in the lead now.
Oh, it's heavy. Oh, Dino. Oh, no. That doesn't matter.
You can probably get it, Kendra.
Oh, yeah, boys. I'm just gonna. Didn't wear any nice clothes today. Look at this guy. Right, you wanna measure?
Yeah, nice one.
I'm just splashing you with water.
No, it's fine. Oh. Well, that's why you don't do that.
Okay. Just trying to transplant here. Oh. 18 and a half. Better weigh that baby. Looks like it's raining out, Kendra.
It's an eighth of an inch short.
Of 19.
Yeah. There we go. Yeah. Maybe. Well, we'll see how big he is.
Mine didn't feel that big when I was doing it. Staying down. Look at that.
I'll get him. Oh, he's got a lamprey on him.
Ooh, yucky. Got a what?
Lamprey.